Hello everyone, this is the pre-market report video for today 26th September 2024 for the Indian stock market in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Yesterday in the pre-market video, we discussed this table. Just for everyone's benefit, I'm repeating that. At the end of Tuesday in the future market, FII had the 3/4 of the index open interest was in Nifty and 1/4 was in the Bank Nifty. We know generally Bank Nifty have more trade volume than Nifty, but FII's position was suggested the contrary. They had more position in Nifty than that of the Bank Nifty. On top of that, on Tuesday in the index option, FII net sold for around 26,000 crore rupees. This is specific unique scenario. We see in the history, I'm able to find the similar case in 3 instances. One in September 2023 and on March 2024 and May 2024. So that's the background. This is what we discussed yesterday. In all those 3 instances, Wednesday Nifty traded flat to negative. And the same thing happened yesterday. For most part of the day, Nifty was traded mild negative and closed mild positive. Hence, the Wednesday price action was completed as expected. Now, coming to the Thursday expiry, we discussed this as per the previous historic instances. If FII net bought the index option on the Wednesday end means, then most probably Nifty might trade negative today. On the contrary, if FII net sold the index option significantly on Wednesday means, then how like in March 2024, today Nifty likely expects to increase. I hope those who watched the yesterday's pre-market might remember this. Now coming to yesterday actual FII index option trade value, they net sold for massive 56,000 crore rupees. So if our FII behavior pattern analysis and the theory is correct, then most probably today Nifty has to trade on the positive side, preferably above 100 points. If it really happens, then it's a very good study. Disclaimer, I'm discussing this only for the educational purpose, not at all the recommendation. Please don't make investment decision based on this. Disclosure, based on this theory, yesterday I bought the call option at 25,750 for 180 rupees. So if today Nifty closed below 25,930, then I have to book the loss, since at present the global momentum is paused or not good, which we'll discuss in a moment. But by luck, if it closed above 25,930, preferably above 26,000 mark, then I might make some money. So I'm hoping it to close above 26,000 mark. Anyway, back to institution data. In the cash market, FII net sold for near 1,000 crore rupees and DII net bought for approximately 1,800 crore rupees. On the sectoral front, power, metal, media and realty indices up by 0.5 to 3%, while FMCG, PSU Bank and IT were down 0.5 to 1%. Day before yesterday, PSU Bank increased significantly. So yesterday, possibly because of the expiry, it might had some profit booking. In the FMCG space, Dauber fell 4%. Since Swiss Bank UBS downgraded its rating and highlighted that they adjusted the rating because of the competitive challenges. On the positive side, Axis Bank increased above 2% since they announced the tie-up with MasterCard that they're going to launch the premium credit card for small business owners. So these are the quick takeaway from yesterday's Indian market. Then regarding oil, Libya's central bank took the initial step to resolve the oil revenue sharing issue, which expects to bring back the Libyan oil back into the oil market. So oil price fell above 2% as the supply expectation increased now. At the time of this video, WTI crude trading just below $70 per barrel and Brent crude closed at $73 per barrel. Now, because of this oil price drop and the hurricane, in US, all the energy stocks was under severe pressure. Other than that, all the other US sector is kind of waiting for tonight and tomorrow macro. Just for info, tonight, final second quarter GDP data is due to release. More importantly, Fed chairman speech is scheduled and tomorrow night, PCE inflation is scheduled to release. So these all 3 are market influencing macro. Hence, last night US market consolidated. In the end, Dow Jones was the major dragger because of energy stocks, down by 0.7%, S&P 500 decreased 0.2% and Nasdaq up by 0.06%. In case of US VIX, it haven't changed much, still around 15.5. Coming to Indian ADR, as it is, all the major ADR closed near absolute flat. I mean, I have been doing this pre-market video for last 2 years and I never saw all ADR flat closing at the same time. However, if you see the arbitrage difference, HDFC Bank, Infosys and ICICI Bank ADR, those three indicating 0.5 to 1% negative arbitrage presence, and on the contrary, Wipro indicating the arbitrage of positive 1%. So both the sectors signaling mostly negative trade today. Then about GIFT Nifty, during US market hours, it reached the high of 26,075, but at 3 am Indian Standard Time, it closed at 26,035. And at present, there is no premium to spot market, hence indicating a flat opening. So that's what happened in global market yesterday. Now let's move to the India specific. Very important negative info about pharma. Yesterday, Indian government released the report that they flagged 53 drug samples failed to meet the quality standards. In these, the big companies like Sun Pharma, Glenmark Pharma and Alkem Health Science all were implicated. So on the surface, it looks like really bad, but for some reason in the ADR, Dr. Reddy's closed very flat. Maybe it looks like just me worried. Anyway, as a summary, US market looks flat to negative and hence GIFT Nifty indicating the flat opening. However, Indian ADRs indicating a negative trading. But based on my FII behavior analysis, I'm expecting it to trade positive. Let's see. However, Indian market is reacting to all those. As per stock open interest, Dauber, Cummins, SBI Cars, Hindalco and Oracle FinServ got an increase in open interest along with a negative close indicates the short build up. On the other hand, NTPC, Mahanagar Gas, Bajaj FinServ, Power Grid, Lupin and BPCL got an increase in open interest with a positive price close, which means these stocks got the long build up. Regarding the things to look out, around 1:30 p.m. Europe's economic bulletin is scheduled release. And in the night, US GDP data, usual weekly jobs data, core PC prices, durable goods orders and Fed Chairman Economic Forum speech are some of the important items we need to keep an eye out today. Coming to technical, Nifty opened 40 points gap down and for most part of the day it was in the range bound with negative bias. However, in the end it recouped all its losses and closed above 26,000. Thus on the daily chart, Nifty formed a bullish candlestick pattern with a continuation of higher high formation and at present trading above all important hourly and daily moving average. So the sentiment is likely to be positive as long as it remains above 25,900 and on the higher side the resistance is at 26,200 to 26,250. In case of Bank Nifty, it opened 170 points gap down. However, within 1 hour, it reclaimed the 54,000 level and closed at 54,100. Thus, on the daily chart, similar to Nifty, Bank Nifty also formed a bullish candlestick pattern with above average volume. However, it negated the higher high low formation for the first time in the last 10 consecutive sessions. So we can say Bank Nifty consolidated with a positive bias with an intact uptrend. Crucial support zone is 53,800 to 53,600 and upper end resistance is 55,000. Regarding the monthly options data, the maximum call option open interest was at 27,000 strike followed by 26,000 and 26,500 with maximum new call option writing at 26,600 strike followed by 26,100 and 26,000. On the put side, the maximum open interest was at 25,900 strike followed by 25,500 and 25,800 with maximum new put option writing at 25,900 strike followed by 25,800 and 26,000. Thus from options data, it indicates that about 26,000, the 26,100 level is likely to act as the next resistance, while immediate support is at around 25,900 to 25,800 level. So that's all in this video. Hope you all got some useful information. Please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video so it will help me beat the YouTube algorithm and also motivate me to do more. Please don't make any investment based on this as I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. I'm doing this for me and viewers educational purpose only. Thanks for watching.